All right, guys, in the shop right now, taking a look at some cool new items from Grow Design Works that just got in, and the last drop of 2025 is going to be the Grow Design Works Flag 255 and G Flag 175. So last drop of the year happening on the last day of the year, as usual, 10:30 a.m. Central Time. We've got 3 different colors of the 255 flag. We've got purple flicker, we have rainbow trout, we also have one more. It is going to be, I think they call it trick carp. It's a carp color, but it is, yes, trick carp. One of the most popular colors in the 255. And we also have 2 colors in the 175 G flag. Again, a duplicate of the purple flicker color. This one is going to be kind of just your do-it-all shad. It's kind of more towards that like threadfin-esque color. Has a little purple, a little bit of green in it. And this is going to be a great bluegill imitation, as well as kind of that like gizzard shad imitation if you get some real fat ones. And then trick carp in the G Flag 175. Now the G Flag 175, for those of you that do not know, these are the new G Flag 175s. The original G Flag was a 150, but they've increased the size a little bit to fit kind of the more like traditional bigger swim bait guys. It's a little bit longer, it has a little bit more profile to it, and I think it honestly swims a little better. I know the 150 was a little hard to get like a true work, like swim, as well as like a chop. The 175 I think works a lot better in my opinion, and I really like this one a little bit more personally. So again, purple, flicker, and trick carp for the 175 G flags, and then 3 colors again in the 255. And if you have not thrown the flag baits, you're definitely missing out. Maybe you want to save a little money and just fish like the Nessie or like the chop block. More power to you, but these guys right here, when it comes to the soft glide bait and soft swim bait category, these are at the top of the top. And luckily, we didn't have a price increase this time. I know tariffs for us are still really bad. So importing them, you know, of course, we're gonna make less money on them, but we haven't increased the price on y'all, which I think is, which is a great thing. You know, I hate to increase prices on anything, but sometimes these companies force us to raise the prices just for map pricing. Just transparent with y'all. But yeah, that's what we got. Last drop of the year, December 31st at 10:30 a.m. Central Time for the flag baits. And we have extremely limited quantities on the 255, and on the G flags, we do have a little bit more, but still ultra limited quantities. So make sure to check them all out, lakeprotackle.com at 10:30. You're gonna be able to see the pictures. You're gonna be able to see everything in there. The items, don't DM me this, don't email me. If you don't see them in stock yet at 10:29, it's because it's not 10:30 yet and we haven't input the quantity in there. So just a future reference for y'all, don't email me or DM me right at 10:29 or 10:28 saying you don't see them available. But anyway, guys, that was my little rant for today. All these are going to be available 10:30, maybe just a hair after, on the website, lakeprotackle.com, December 31st. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, because I think this is probably the last video we're gonna do before Christmas happens, and then all these guys on December 31st, we're gonna get them all packed up, hopefully out to y'all ASAP, just in time for winter fishing. So guys, thank you so much again. We'll see you next time, Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.